Hey, I'm going to show you quickly how to get icons from Rive into Framer and then link them to pages. This was a question that just came up on Twitter. I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough on how to do that. Let's first take a look at what we've got set up here. Let's delete this. Right now we've got this landing page and I've got some animated Rive icons, and when I click we go to this car page, and then when I click on this gas pump, it'll go to the gas pump. So let's take a look at how we add another icon to this page, this header. So let's go back over to the Rive editor, and I want this food icon, and so I've got it on a separate artboard, and it is set up to toggle its active state based on a Boolean. So that's what we're going to access in Framer. But let's go ahead and export or generate a share link for this icon. So you want to scroll down here, and there's this Framer code snippet, which we can copy. And then we'll go back here, go into our assets, and let's create a new code file. And we'll name this food. And we're going to replace the code that's in there with our new code that we copied over from the editor. And then that's going to give us, let's see, our food icon here. So our component here, and what we want to do is we'll go back to our page, and we're just going to set up the component and the variants. So we'll drag this out. And here we want to go ahead and click on new component, and we're going to name this food icon. And here we can go ahead and set our variant. So our primary, we have the active, that's our Boolean from the editor. So we have active yes or no, so true or false. So we want the active to be set to false or no. And then on hover, we want to go ahead and set that to be true. So let's preview this. So on hover, our animation plays, and when we mouse off, it sets that active to false, and it'll stop playing that animation. So we can go back to our pages. I'll go back to our demo page. We can remove this for now, and let's go ahead and edit our header here. And I've gone ahead and added a frame. You need the frame is what will allow you to link two different pages. So within this frame, we need to drop our food icon, which is right here. So go ahead and drop this inside. Let's go to our layers, and let's resize this a bit. And let's center it here. Okay, so we've got our icon in there. And we can go ahead and test this right now just to make sure everything's working. Okay. So let's exit out of there. And now we need to link our frame to our page. And so I do have this food page set up. We need to add our header to that. So we'll grab our nav bar. Let's actually copy it so our sizing is correct. So we'll go ahead and copy it from this page. We'll paste it to our food page. I'll just snap it into place up here. And then let's add, just so we can identify which page we're on, we'll add that food icon here. Okay. Let's set this to absolute so we can lay it out. All right, so now let's go back to our navigation, and let's link this frame. We can link it to a page or URL. So let's link it to our food page. All right. So now if we go back to our icons demo, this is kind of our landing page. If we play this, preview this, see all of our icon animations are working. And then we can click through and navigate to each of these pages. So this is a way to get those icons into Framer and actually make them interactive in terms of navigating on a page. You could navigate to a section. But yeah, I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any insight or experience working in Framer and Rive. Let me know. Thanks a lot.